Action.
Okay, so I just started the bike. I have a new battery that I put in it. It was mid 2023. Those headlights, they are not flashing. It's just the way the video is. So those are very bright. These, what are these? Are clear waters. You can adjust them up or down, turn them on and off. So the bike has these engine guards that are installed on both sides. Has a center stand and a regular kickstand. To put the bike up on the center stand, you put it down, and then you pull out on this handle, and you lift the bike up and roll it back. Luggage that comes with it, this saddlebag and the one on the other side are standard. Those come off. This Givey bag, this was an add-on. That's also removable. Brake lights, those things blink when you put your brakes on. It has ABS, it has linked braking. This right here goes up. And so when you're, let's see if I get this right. So I'm 6'2", with that shield all the way up. You're like in a bubble, and the air goes right over you, and you're kind of like in a little cocoon. And you can put it all the way down, and then you get the mostly the force of the wind. So yeah, I mean, I normally have it all the way up when I'm riding, so I'm not buffeted by the wind. And this seat is, I think it's adjustable, 3 different height levels, I believe, if I remember correctly. So it's got ABS, it's got linked braking system, it's got a single-sided swing arm. I don't know if you can see it or not in the video. Yeah, single-sided swing arm. So red lines at 7,500. From a handling standpoint, I was amazed. It's absolutely a phenomenal bike. It's very, very close to sport bike ability. This is a mount for your cell phone, and then you have a plug-in right here, so you can do power with it. So you can charge your phone while you're going. And I have ridden this bike when it was literally 28 degrees when I was going to college. I just wanted to say I did it. And that was a 50-minute ride. And because it's got heated hand grips and I had the bubble all the way up and I hunkered down behind it, I was okay. So this has been an awesome bike. I just don't have time to ride it.